I'm Brian Collier, Executive Director of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice. During the past calendar year, we have tracked a significant increase in the number of violent events that have occurred on our facilities with our inmate population. Many of those events have incurred serious injury with inmates, and we have seen our homicides with inmates increase significantly as well. Much of the violent uptick we've seen in our system is due to drug use and/or drug trafficking within the system. By conducting a statewide sweep of all of our facilities, our intent is, one, to cut off one of the major pipelines for drug introduction into the facilities, two, going in and searching all of our facilities and making sure that we eradicate as much of the narcotics as possible. At the same time we do that, we have all of our investigative resources, all of the electronic means that we have available being utilized to help us identify not only those who may be in possession of drugs on our facility, but also who may be helping traffic drugs into our facilities. At the same time we do that, we will go active with a complete electronic mail system, meaning that all incoming regular mail to an inmate will go to one address, which will be posted on our website. At that address, they will scan and image that material and have that material sent to the inmate on the inmate tablet. If the inmate does not have a tablet, that letter will be printed in our mail rooms and handed to the inmate at the facility. The reason for this is because we have seen a significant increase in drugs that are brought into our facilities through paper in the mail. We have paper that's sent in to inmates that looks like a letter or disguised as a letter, and it's actually paper that's been soaked in something like K2, methamphetamine, or other illegal narcotics. Those narcotics, although we try to detect, are not always caught and result in narcotics being in our system. We will try to provide continued information to you through our website as the progress continues as we get our facilities cleaned. As we go through each facility, after we finish each one, they will be able to resume normal operations. So many facilities may be able to resume operations within the next couple of weeks. There may be some larger facilities, however, that may take 4 to 5 weeks before we're able to resume normal operations. During this time, inmate phones will be accessible. However, visitation will not be allowed so that we can have all of our staff dedicate their time and energy to doing the searches. If you're a loved one or family member, you know our mission is to keep your loved one safe. Our mission is public safety in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice. And that means we have an obligation to keep our facilities safe and to keep our community safe. That means our staff and inmates are safe. They're not safe when we have narcotics on our facilities. Please help us and please be patient with us as we try to eradicate narcotics from the system. If your loved one is asking you to do electronic money transfers, things like Cash App, or move money to other inmates, let me be the first to tell you that's part of this problem. If you're hearing those kind of requests from your inmate loved one or your friends, that behavior needs to stop because that is how drugs get trafficked in our system. We will provide information tip lines where you as a family member can call if you have information that you want to share anonymously. We will take that information and use it. We'll also have a way for inmates to provide an anonymous tip to us if they have information they would like to provide. Again, thank you for your time and your interest in this, and please know that we have a shared interest in mind. Thank you.